today, guys, we've got a morning ritual like none before it. A morning ritual that a lot of people will say is a waste of time. But a morning ritual that I think leads to the sanity and the sanctity of your home, which is
Ty's morning ritual. Start the day habitual. Tune in for the fun. Every day, a new one.
make the bed. That's right, folks. We're making the bed today. Now, a lot of people are like, why do you make the bed? Wait, let me do it.
Ty, why do you make the bed? It's just gonna get unmade again. Ugh.
No, you're wrong.
Whip that thing out and let me see.
Let me see your bed. The point of making the bed is not to have a clean bed. The point of making the bed is to have a clean mind and a clean palate from which to enter your bed at night, knowing that the sins of yesterday have been wiped clean. There's nothing in this bed that says, I'm a clean slate, I'm a beautiful boy. Right now, this bed is saying, this is a nasty, nasty man who wriggles around and thinks pornographic thoughts in the night. And we don't want people thinking that when we're doing live streams, okay? So we're going to, and put the thing up again, the title, we're going to make the bed, and that's today's morning ritual. Let's go ahead and make the bed. So there's a couple of ways you can start. I like to be reorganizing where the pillows go. Right up front, right where the heads go. I've got a sweaty head and a gross head, so my pillows tend to turn quite orange and yellow hues of sweat. Which is gross. I know. But I don't pretend that I'm a beautiful boy. Well, okay, making the bed makes you seem like a beautiful boy, but I'm not a cleanly boy. You can be beautiful and stinky, just like you can be overweight but very athletic. They're not mutually exclusive, traits on an RPG skill tree. Stinky but beautiful. Fat but athletic. There's another famous one which is sexually deviant but ugly. That happens often. You'll see just the weirdest looking dudes. But they're having so much sex. And that's okay. We love a weirdo. We love when people are able to accomplish their dreams, whether it means becoming 2 times as big, whether it means hello. I don't know where I was going with that. I'm just trying to fill the air while I make this bed. Okay. So we've got the lower blanket tucked in and sharp. We've got the middle blanket tucked in and sharp. Now it's time for the over blanket, the upper over blanket. Once we got this thing tucked in and sharp, the morning ritual will be complete. We will be stinky but pretty, which is important. And we'll be ready to start the day off strong, knowing everyone thinks we're beautiful. Everyone thinks we're beautiful. All right. Look at that. Tuck in. We tuck in on the sides. Tuck in on the sides. We tuck in on the sides. Okay. And then we put the pillow back. Ooh, we forgot some lower tuck right here. And I wouldn't have noticed that if I wasn't streaming. It's an important aspect of streaming is that you get some self-reflection about the quality of the work that you do. Like, for example, this corner not perfectly tucked. Making the bed ups your stream game. Yeah. And it ups your everything game. If you're a Peanut butter salesman, it'll up your peanut butter sales. If you are a door-to-door campaigner for Kamala Harris, Donald Trump, I'm not going to tell you whom's to be knocking on doors for, but if that's your job, you could do it better if you had bed made. Just saying. Just saying. All right. Was that a speed run? No, I could have gone faster. I definitely could have done that a lot faster.